Hello everyone, my name is Digvijay Shivajirao Deshmukh. Today's my topic is non-technical topic. Today I'm going to talk about the adverse event and the safety monitoring. So adverse event and the safety monitoring is turned into the clinical trials. That the clinical trials are the essential for the safety and the efficacy of the new drug, and also the including the devices and the therapeutic uh, intervention intervention and the investigational product are being administered to the human body, in the human practice participants, also ensuring the safety and becoming the fundamental property of uh, with the treatment under the safety and of the safety of the clinical trials. Further, that is the importance of the safety and monitoring of clinical data. The safety of the monitoring and the foundation of the clinical data is clinical research is the amide amide and protecting the participants, that in simple that is the volunteers, that form the potential and the investigation of the efficacy and the new treatment related to it. In the clinical trials, that adverse event AEs are being served into the indicators, and also with the risk of associated with some investigational product and helping the other recommending protocol changing in the safety of the concern. And uh, also further the main point, that is the regulatory framework. So regulatory framework is and the safety monitoring and in the clinical trials, and also the governed by the several several regulatory authorities, uh, or the bodies that are been including like the FDA and United State and the Europe Medicine Agency, that is the EMA. The agencies are been provided the guidelines like conducting the clinical trials and emphasizing the importance of the monitoring of adverse events and thoughts to the trial of the life cycle. That is the FDA in 2021, and EMA that is been in the 2017. Some key regulations are been including like the GCP, good clinical practices, the framework that outline the ethical and the scientists that with sorry my bad scientific qualities that are being standard, and the designing of the conducting and recording and reporting of the trials involves the human subjects, and also the good clinical practices, that is the GCP, uh, so, sorry, not GCP, that is the DSMB is and the data safety monitoring board, that mean the board is the oversee the trials and the safety of the data, and assess the ongoing of the risk and benefits balance, and recommend the modification and of the treatments and the trials is necessary. So further, also the one additional point, that is the adverse event and the detection and reporting management mechanism. Firstly, the reporting mechanism, that is done into the three phases. That first is the clinical observation, second is the reported outcome, and last, that is the laboratory and the diagnostic test. In clinical observation, the healthcare and the professionals are been investigator during the assessment. Second, that is in the patient and the patient that reported the outcome, where the patient report symptoms and the side effect directly done by the drugs, and in the laboratory and the diagnostic test in which can be reveal the abdominal, like we can say, that are might be treated or not be treated, not be immediately apparent. Thank you.